Because when my company closed, they gave me the safe.
It's a very good safe. Oh, wow.
Yeah. I just put that there.
Okay, thank you.
My customer didn't open her safe for at least 3 years. Wait till the end for her reaction. Cute and funny lady.
Okay, let's find out what's the combination, okay?
Okay. Oh, can you write it down? Can you?
Yeah, you want to write it
Yeah.
down?
Hold on.
We need.
Nothing. I got it right here. Okay.
Okay. So the third number, not the first number, the third number is... I can't see.
You want a flashlight?
No, I have. The third number is 50.
Oh.
The third number. There's no 30.
Oh.
There's 80.
First number?
Second number, 80.
What the hell is the first number?
So
I know
now
it's 80.
we have to find out what's the first number. Okay, I'm very close.
Isn't that amazing? How they do shit like that?
It looks like it's 10. It looks like it's 10, 80, 50. That's why it looks like.
It is 10.
It is 10?
No, yeah, it's
One
10,
second, I'm
80,
gonna-
50.
10, 80, 1, 2. You were right about the 80 and 50.
Yeah, I thought it was 30. I got confused with my job.
Tell you right now if it's...
Look, it is 10, I think.
Yeah, it's 10.
10, 80, 50.
So I'm gonna open it now.
Bitch! Fuck, I was so close.
Even when you used to know,
Shut up, you. I was close.
But even when you used to know the combination, it would take you 2 or 3 times before you actually get it open.
Yeah, because it's a tricky one. Because I remember I was the only one that can open that at work. That's crazy shit, man.
You ready?
Yeah.
You open it, not me.
I can't believe this. Look at this bullshit. Look at this! Oh my God, you're the best. Thank you so
It's
much.
3 years.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
yeah. I couldn't open.
No, wait. Let me reset it.
Yeah,
because
he
you
has
didn't
to
open
res-
it for 10 years.